Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Archicad tutorial how to export PDF. So for example, I will insert the wall objects into the drawing. So we have this example project. And the next, if you want to export to PDF, you can select the object and you can go to the file menu, click save as, and then change for the save as type to PDF file. You can set the names at this point. You also can click on the document options. Now in here we can use these options fit to page. So the object will be automatically readjust by using the page and click OK to apply. After it, you can click save to export the files to PDF. Okay, that's it for basic RCCAD tutorial how to export PDF.